Cell-to-Cell Communication in Parkinson's Disease by Kevin Hu, Alison, Kane, and Yaasat, Nayeem. There are 4 different types of cell signaling: direct, paracrine, endocrine, and synapse. In a system afflicted with Parkinson's disease, the synapse cell signaling is faulty. Synapse is signaling between neurons and muscles. With improper synapse, a message cannot be relayed to the muscles. A message is relayed through the cell transduction pathway, which has 3 stages. The stages are reception, transduction, and response. Cells with Parkinson's have an incomplete reception process. Reception is the process when a signaling molecule binds to the receptor of a target cell. In a properly working cell, dopamine travels from the brain through the neurons and is transferred to the receptor protein in a target cell. Dopamine is a hormone which sends a message to a target cell. In a system afflicted with Parkinson's disease, an insufficient amount of dopamine is released from the Parkinson's affected neuron. With less dopamine in their cells, a person is subject to movement disorders. The main problem with a neuron affected by Parkinson's disease is due to the overabundance of proteins alpha-synuclein and parkin. These 2 proteins cause aggregations of Lewy bodies, or large clumps of proteins, and proteasomal degradation and eventual apoptosis of the neuron occur. Due to its degrading condition, the neuron cannot release a sufficient amount of dopamine to release messages to the target cell. Due to the postsynaptic signaling being blocked in the target cell, that cell results in neurodegeneration. The mutations in chromosomes 4 and 6 are responsible for the overabundance of the alpha-synuclein and parkin proteins. In the brain, the substantia nigra has narrowed and become indented, further hindering the release of dopamine. Symptoms of Parkinson's disease are tremors, an unwanted shaking of the body, stooped or bent posture, and rigidity and tense body structure. Also, mask-like facial expressions and arms that are and wrists that are flexed inwards towards the body are also symptoms. Thank you for watching a production on Parkinson's disease.